What it do? Y'all know who it is, man. This Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service, man. I know I ain't dropped the video in a minute on YouTube, man, but I've been working so hard and just really trying to change so many people's lives, man. And y'all already know what to do, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification button so you all can know when I drop new videos. Yeah, man, I'm sorry I ain't been dropping no videos, man, but I've been really working hard. I really started focus on really helping other people build a business and, to be able to, make 6 figures a year. And that's really been my focus, man, because I feel like it's enough money out here for all of us. But at the same time, I just don't want people just jumping into the business, have a couple of thousand, just jump in the business and then messing up the business, because the whole key to this is the reason I'm teaching people personally is because I want people to do it the correct way. I want people to know how to bid. I don't want people getting into the business and doing all this underbidding, messing up the business, saturating the business when it don't have to be that way. You know what I'm saying? You can truly learn this business the right way. Make sure you not getting nothing under $1 a mile. Just making sure you do this business the correct way, man. And that's why I've been mentoring so many people, and it's been amazing, man. I'm mentoring people all over the United States, and their success stories is, man, to just see somebody build something from the ground up, and I'm being a part of that and helping them build it, man. I can't even explain the feeling, man. I really can't. And just like Marlon, I always tell y'all about Marlon. He's 21 years old. This make his 4th week of being in the cargo van business, and he's averaging $4,000 a week. $4,000 a week in the cargo van business. Man, I've been seeing semi-truck loads that's similar to cargo van loads right now. It's crazy, man. Cargo vans making just as much money as a semi-truck driver making. And I can't believe that, and I just think that's I think it's messed up when it comes to the semi-truck, because semi-trucks on hold a lot, and they should be getting a proper pay. And so salute to everybody that drives semi-trucks, box trucks, cargo vans. Salute to all y'all, man. Take my head off to y'all, all us out here on the road, trying to make a living and, trying to provide for our families, man, because that's what we're doing it for, or whatever bigger goals that we have in life that we're trying to achieve. That's what we do it for. So it's a blessing, to be in this business, and that's why I'm teaching people so they can do things the right way. That's the whole key to this business. If you're going to get in this business, you at least want to be doing it the right way. And that's another thing. I'm a part of a Facebook group. It's for sprinter vans and cargo vans. It's called The Union. So whenever y'all get a chance, I'll put the link in the description. The Facebook group is called The Union. Go check that Facebook group out. I'm pretty sure y'all will like it. It's very informative. And it's just a community to where we can all learn how to bid, how to get our loads, making sure we're picking up loads on time. That's a key factor. As long as you're picking up loads on time, delivering on time, or if you're having any issues, make sure you talk to dispatch and just communicate with them. That's the main thing. Just have great communication. If you have that, you're going to build some really good relationships, and you're going to last a very long time in this business. And it's just that simple, man, But like I was saying, my guy Marlon, man, he started his first week. So I mentored him for 30 days. My mentorship program is actually 60 days, and that's why I've been consuming myself with helping everybody else. So within 30 days, I created his LLC, his EIN number. He went and got the business bank account. I did his DOT number. I did his MC number. I did everything for him. Once he got the van delivered, he got the right insurance. Once he got all of that stuff, and shameless plug, if y'all looking to get a cargo van or a box truck, check out truckstopnj.com. I'll put that in the description, and I'll probably put it up on the screen. And their phone number, all you gotta do is text cargo van or box truck. That's 732-598-1566. 732-598-1566. Text cargo van or box truck to that number, and someone will get back with you. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, when I tell y'all they got some of the best rates in the country, because I hear people saying they go to this dealership or that dealership and they want $60,000 or $55,000 for a cargo van. The truck stop, it was a lady. They had a van for the book value was like $57,000. And you know, they sell wholesale, so they was able to get to her for $39,000. And I think they ended up dropping it all the way down to like $36,000 just so she can get the cargo van. So they really like working with people. Even if you got bad credit, they'll work with you, man. One thing I know about Truck Stop, they're gonna make it their business to work with you and to make sure that they can get you the right cargo van that's within your budget. And like I always tell y'all, when y'all in this business, the whole key, you just have to have a little patience. Because starting off in the cargo van business or starting off in any business, it's not going to be no overnight success. The business not going to just get up and running and you making all this money immediately. You got to do everything the right way. You got to set it up the right way the first time so you don't have to go back and be fixing stuff. And that's the main reason why I'm telling y'all I mentor people, and that's what I've been doing. I've just been helping like a lot of people. But yeah, like I was saying, back to Marlon. Marlon made $4,730 his first week. The second week he only worked 3 days, but he made $2,950. The third week he worked 4 days out the week. He made $4,200 that week. He told me that his gross was $42,000, his net was $3,500. So he spent like $700 in expenses like gas and all that kind of stuff. So that's still good. $3,500 profit for the week was really, really good. I haven't got up with him yet this week because this is 4th week to find out where he at this week. But I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all all informed on how Marlon doing. And y'all can go and check his TikTok out, his Instagram out. His page is Valaz.express. Valaz Express. I'll put it up on the screen so y'all will know how to find Marlon. Y'all want to hit Marlon up, y'all gonna show Marlon love. Go and follow him on his TikTok page and his Instagram page. I love his story, man. I love this man's story. Only 21 years old, man. And he's not even from America. It's crazy, man, you know. It's a beautiful thing, man. But like I said, like I hooked him up with all my connections, all my contacts, and he done got with some really good dispatchers, and they really get him some good loads. You know, some of his loads he get $1.60 a mile, $1.50 a mile. Some might be like $1.20 a mile. You know, we're making sure he get his fair share. And that's the whole thing about being in this business. You most definitely want to know your worth. You want to make sure you get your fair share. We're not taking no loads for no 50 cent, no 60 cent. We're not doing that. Only time you might, like I was saying, so the only time you might have to take a lower amount of money is like, say you in an area that, cause certain parts of the state, the rates are just lower. So you might have to do 80 cent or 90 cent just to get out of that area and to get back into a more better area. And if you got a good dispatcher on your team, that dispatcher gonna know like which kind of loads to find you that's gonna benefit you and him, you know, to get you the best rate to where y'all both making good money. And that's what a really, really good dispatcher does. So that's what they'll do. They'll get you out of that area, it might be 80 or 90 cent, but then they'll get you in another area, right back up to $1.50, $1.40. And that's how you want to do the game. Like I told my boy Marlon and a couple other guys that I mentor, like Marlon on the pace to make like a little bit under 200K for the year. He's probably gonna be like 160,000, 170,000 for the year if he stay at the pace, because he's averaging like 16,000 a month right now on the pace that he's on, which is really, really good. It's so crazy. Him and one of my other guys I mentor out of Atlanta, Georgia, they both hit me up within the same week and was asking me how do I pay my drivers and stuff like that. You can pay. The reason they was asking me this because both of them going to go get new cargo vans and put drivers in them already. And I'm like, but the business is really booming right now. So, now is the time, you know, to make really, really a nice amount of money. So, you know, I always tell people just take full advantage of it, man. because now is the time to really to make some really good money right now in this business. But yeah, like you can pay your drivers. You can do a 60-40. You take 60, they take 40, because you know you got expenses. You can do a flat rate. You can give them $800 or $1,000 a week. It's really just up to you and how your money coming in, and also what's fair for the driver, because you want to make sure that your driver is happy, you know, because he helping you make a lot of money, so you want to make sure he happy too, you know, and that's just keeping it all the way 100 in this business, man. But it's plenty of money in this business. Now is a really good time. If any of you want me to personally mentor you myself, which I will do, all you got to do is hit the link in the description for my mentorship program, and it's going to come with my cargo van course. I'm going to give you my cargo van course with it, because that has all the carrier companies, dispatch companies, medical carrier companies. I have a full broker list in there with the company names and their phone number directly. You can hit them up. It teach you how to create your business credit as well. It just teach you everything from start to finish. And plus, I'm helping you hands-on. I'm personally guiding you throughout everything. You're going to have contact with me personally. Yeah, we're going to get it popping, man. We do weekly check-ins, weekly Zoom meetings, whatever it takes to help get your business off the ground. And I'm going to give you all my resources. I'm not no gatekeeper. I don't hold nothing back. I give up all my information. That's how I do it. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, and also my cargo van course, the Stick With Us Academy cargo van course. I'm giving everybody 40% off on that course. Everybody gets 40% off. Take full advantage of it. Use the promo code LOVE, L-O-V-E. You're going to get 40% off. Use the promo code LOVE, L-O-V-E. And I'm feeling real generous because I want to show a lot of love. What I'm going to do, I'm going to also do my mentorship the same way. I'm going to give y'all 40% off on my mentorship program. Use the promo code LOVE, L-O-V-E. I'm going to run that for the rest of this month out. I'm going to run that promo code LOVE, L-O-V-E. You get 40% off. I mentor you personally, and I'm giving you my cargo van course for free. The link will be in the description. So where it says description and more at the bottom of this video, you click more, and then it'll say mentorship program. It'll give you the link, and the promo code is LOVE for 40% off. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I just appreciate all y'all. I appreciate everybody who subscribed to my channel. We made 10,000 subscribers, so I'm really happy about having 10,000 subscribers. That's a blessing. And I'm gonna try my best to keep these videos coming. I'm gonna try to just start dropping a lot of very informative videos for you all, because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions, and I'm here to answer them. I try to answer all I can in the comments. You can go check out my Instagram page, Stick With Us Delivery. Check out my TikTok page, Stick With Us Delivery. And if you're on there, you can always shoot me a DM, you know, say what's up or ask me a question. I will respond. I respond to all my DMs. Every last DM, I respond to it. Those of you know me, y'all know I respond to my DMs. But other than that, man, like I always tell y'all, stick with us, man. We got you, man. You know, it done became a family, man. Don't forget about the Facebook group. I got Stick With Us Carrier Facebook group, and also the Union Facebook group. So make sure y'all check those out as well. Other than that, man, y'all stay safe out there. Y'all have safe traveling mercies. And I just pray we all just stay protected. It feels good to shoot this YouTube video because I haven't shot one in a minute. So I can't wait to see how y'all respond to it and the information that I provided, and me letting all y'all know that my boy Marlon, company called Valens Express, averaging $4,000 a week, and he just got into this business, which is unbelievable. It's pretty good though. You know, some people I done seen. Shout out to my boy Mateo. Mateo was telling me he did $8,000 in 1 week. I was like, whoa, $8,000 in 1 week, boy. Shout out to Mateo. Shout out to Travel Jacob. Shout out to the cargo van man. and everybody at the union, man. Shout out to all them guys, man. Yeah, man, let's stay great, man. Like I said, y'all don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification. Share this video, man. It might help somebody, man. Teach somebody the game, man. Show somebody another route they can take in life. You know, this can turn somebody's life all the way around. Definitely the younger generation, man. This is a great avenue for the younger generation. As long as they're gonna be responsible and learn how to start their own business and be successful at it, this will be amazing for them, man. It'll be really amazing. So this was wonderful. I'm about to go and drop off this load I have. Other than that, man, y'all stay blessed, man. Y'all have a good one, man. Y'all know me, man. Stick with us. We got you.